sitting and I was thinking this morning about Daniel's visions, and he was talking about his brother David living in California. He's sitting at this window looking at the concrete jungle. Remember where you came from, remember the poisonous snakes. We're going home now, come on, John. I'd rather be a sparrow than a snail. Yes, I would. If I could, I surely would. I'd rather be a hammer than a nail. Yes, I would. If I only could, I surely would. Why? I'd rather sail away like a swan that's here and gone. A man get tied down to the ground. He gives the world its saddest sound, its saddest sound. I'd rather be a forest than a street. Yes, I would. If I only could, I surely would. Are you ready? Are you ready, my old friend, to walk again this land of fame? Pick your battle for the war. You'll come and shine or be no more. It's going down. You better choose a side, my friend, again. It's going down. You know it's swell. I'd rather be a sparrow than a snail. Yes, I would. If I could, I surely would. I'd rather be a hammer than a nail. Yes, I would. If I only could, I surely would. Today we walk again on the roads, the way of foam. Come and join again, my friend. It's time to walk. Come join again. Away, I'd rather sail away like a swan that's here and gone. Man gets tied down to the ground and gives the world its saddest sound, its saddest sound. I'd rather be a forest than a street. Yes, I would. If I could, I surely would. I'd rather feel the earth beneath my feet. Yes, I would. If I only could, I surely would. Now, get up and walk. Come on. Out of the concrete jungle. Away, I'd rather sail away.
Please hang up and try again.